How to add a follow button to your profile on Facebook. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a follow button to your profile on your Facebook account. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go to Facebook and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap on the menu icon at the top right and visit your profile by tapping on profile banner. So I'll just quickly show you guys how it's going to look. Tap on the three dots here and then tap on view as. So it's going to take me to a public view. As you can see, I have got this follow button here instead of add friend. So you can do that by either turning on professional mode, or if you don't want to do that, then there's one other way you can do it. Go back and tap on the gear icon right beside search. Then scroll down and find the option on how people can find and contact you. Tap there. Right at the very top, you have an option on who can send you friend requests. It's currently selected on friends of friends, so you want to select this option. If it's on everyone, then your add friend button will be visible to everyone and people will be able to send you friend requests. But if you select this option, uh, the public will only see an option to follow your profile. And tap on save and you're good to go. So that's basically it guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.